forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
My beautiful Taurus, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul's Tarot. So, we are going to pull out a general prosperity spread, a spread which is essentially based on a general reading, career reading, personal, professional dynamic, whichever way this resonates, because there's no clock in the universe, right? And no concept of time, age, numbers, etc. Just the understanding that it's the energy that vibes. Okay, so we don't do reversals on the channel unless I'm guided to, and only tap into energies. So let's start with Taurus. What is the general prosperity message that you need to see, the current message, the personal, professional dynamic message that you need to pay attention to for the rest of July? For you, they kind of show me regeneration, like you're trying to get out of something and want to start something new. That's what Michael tells me. There could be something new that you wish to start, or you really want to start something with somebody. Could be in regard to work, could be in regard to whichever dynamic is resonating. Cross watchers, kindly use your inner compass, and guys, do watch your sun, moon and rising to get a clearer picture, as I've dabbled into Vedic and Western astrology both. So they asked me to stop. Show me the message we need to see for Taurus for the rest of July. Okay, let's see what do we need to see. Sometimes we have a picker. So can't I, shouldn't I, why won't I? So new life, as I said, they were showing me regeneration, like you're coming out of something new and you're expecting something new in your life. You're in that energy, you're optimistic right now. You're very optimistic with this card right now, in regard to your work, in regard to any space that you're in or you're feeling right now. That's what they're saying, that just before the spring comes, the birds, the flowers, everything is like so beautifully coming around, and when it really hits, it all turns supremely lovely, right? Because nature indeed is beautiful, and you're an earth sign, so the advice also is that do connect with Mother Gaia more, spend more time in nature, try and meditate a little more. For some, those who were not doing have started doing it, I feel. So it's all about light, letting your light shine. I mean, you're finally coming to terms with the fact that you can't control everything and anything, honestly. You guys are very fixed, right, in a certain way. So that's what they're saying. You'll have to drop it, truly. So I'm going to pull out a spread, which will be free spread. Let's say 3 or 6, whatever the way it comes around, we'll see. And then we close it with the directions from the angels. They asked me to stop. Show the message I need to see for my Taurians. What do I need to see? Also, for some, I think it is also about like embracing the new and letting go of the past. So let's see how this plays out for you with the tarot. By the way, this is lights here that we're using. Four of Pentacles, yes, your energy, stability, security, thought process. That's what they're saying, that now you're coming to terms with the fact that I know how I need to play this out, and this is what I get. So this is like the kind of new energy you're coming to understanding with, you're coming to terms with. You're not thinking the old way, Taurus, and you're done clinging to certain things. That's what is, that's what they're saying, that you've done clinging to old things, and that's where we have the Judgment popping out. Okay, so the whole idea is that you're coming into balance, you're coming into alignment, you're coming into understanding that whether it's in regard to your guides guiding you for the same, rising above, or you coming to the understanding by connecting that I know now this will not work, so I have to change it. I have to bring that change and that shift in my perspective so that I can embrace what the universe is really trying to send. So full moon in Aquarius, I think you definitely need to release a lot of your old karma, your old baggage that you're carrying with your old ways, and embrace the new, because that will bring in the kind of work that you really want. So they gave me, see, the Queen of Cups and the Chariot both together. So maybe you're dealing with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Chariot is about that that balance of the yin and yang for me. That's how I see it. So your divine feminine masculine energy, for some maybe the soulmate energy also is coming around. So you need to stay aligned and balanced, knowing that where you need to tread and how you need to tread forward. Okay, how will you tread forward? It's completely up to you, because the spirit guide Krishna per se, I feel is saying that you are riding the chariot. I am right behind you. I am giving you all the support that you need with the judgment. You just need to know how to control and tame the feminine and the masculine energy within you, because I think that is what is disturbing with the Four of Pentacles here in the chariot that I see. So guys, for Taurus, I think it's also very important to understand now that you have to start working with the new ways and new energies. Okay, and you have to clear the clutter from your mind, and you have to stay happy, so that you can understand that you can invite good things in life by thinking positive thoughts. That is how they multiply. Okay, with the Queen of Cups Cancer energy, it is also about connecting with your feminine side, not staying too fixed about certain things. For some of you, I think I tap into some people who are dealing with property, maybe real estate, etc. They're saying that you're going to receive a good project very soon. What else do we need to see for our Taurus? Taurus, what else do we need to see, month of Taurus, with the judgment? So it's time to connect with others also, so that you can share your ideas, your thoughts equally, with them, and you can tell them that this is how it's going to pan out. With the Two of Cups, exactly. Some of you are inviting big soulmate energy, like love is in the air for you guys, although it's a general prosperity message, career message, but you are inviting that, or maybe you're falling into that thing again, so be wary, and just know that whichever direction you want to take it, you should be very sure about it with the Chariot. This is also a sign of respect towards your commitment, towards your commitment towards your work, essentially, and and the signs that are following you. Your energy, Empress, again, it's like you're just coming to this understanding that you are there birthing something new, and you're prepared big time, and you were waiting for probably this full moon in Aquarius to actually let go of that old ways, old ideas, because now you have the maturity, and you know that life loves you. The spirit, the universe, whoever deity you believe in, they really, really love you. Your ancestors are really supporting you, guiding you at this time. And you would be really infusing new sort of energy, new ways of working in your workspace. Hands down, Taurus. You would be having exciting opportunities coming your way, and you would crack them up big time, and that would bring in the new kind of stability and new kind of security in your life. And you just should know that when you infuse new energies in your workspace or in any dynamic, they just get glorified. Why? Because the energy is such, and it's so attuned with you, with the judgment here. So your projects, your work, everything would be like certain kind of electric infusion, just like we switch on and this power, this light everywhere. Similarly, that is what is going to happen when you release the old and invite and stay attuned to the new, trusting that universe is all magic. If you believe in it, of course the magic exists. If you do not, it just does not, right? So it's good fortune, Taurus, for you. That's what I see. Good fortune definitely coming your way if you kind of stay aligned. Spend time with family. For some, they say spend more time with family. I think your older family members really want you more. They kind of crave your time more, for some. And that is what probably also is with the Queen of Cups, that you are trying to do that too. You're trying to balance that too. So what is the divine direction we really need to focus on? I'm going to close the reading then. So if this resonates, do like and subscribe, people. So remember, this is a general prosperity career spread, okay? And whichever dynamic this resonates with you, it's there for you. Just know that it's as delicate as a flower buds out, right? So be very gentle with yourself. Don't be harsh. They're saying one more. Drop the timetable. Taurus, that's what they're saying. That yeah, you guys are a fixed sign, right? So they're saying drop the timetable. Don't work with the timetable. Just know that you need that balance. Wow. So tuned. New life, birth. This is a time of new beginnings. Embrace the new life with open arms. So amazing. I mean, I love when my spirit is like on point, with me. And the presence is here. So, Michael, thank you. So, excitement, passion, joy, auspicious time in regard to your prosperity career that I see. Just let go of the old ways, embrace the new, because you're birthing something big if you do that, okay? Balance your divine feminine and masculine energy so that you can invite the same. For some, soulmate energy is really hugely loudly playing. Just know that you got a lot of potential and fortune is smiling on you. Bye for now, and I love you to the moon and back. Bye.